Hi all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. Today I'm going to show you part 2 of how to solder a bezel setting on a twisted wire cuff bracelet. We're going to use our brand new solder. You are going to be amazed at how gorgeous that color match is and how beautifully it flows too on top of it all.
So basically what we're seeing here is what I was trying to explain probably not so well before. When you're going to wear multiple things together and you want the bezels to kind of ride over top and be able to fit together, that's why we didn't file the flat on there. So that you see what I'm saying? She can wear those together, and instead of bumping into each other, they'll kind of snuggle. It's the snuggle factor.
Love. They nest.
So I don't think I explained it super well before, but hopefully when you see that, you'll understand what I'm talking about. That's why you do that for stack rings and things that you want to combine like that. Because like, look how beautiful that looks.
I love it. Love it.
So because of the way that the twisted wire curves, there's like a little negative space in there. I don't know if Alexis, if you captured that. So we're going to delicately shove a piece of solder or two in there to fill that in. Which, I mean, it's no big deal. We're going to ball up the solder. I'm going to stick it in there with the tweezers, and I mean, you know, same principle. I'm using that same 18 karat softs. I'm going to cut this in half and ball them up, because with stuff like this, I kind of keep shoving solder in there till it's filled. You don't always really know exactly how much it's going to take. There we go. And one of the ways, incidentally, that I can tell a solder that I'm really gonna like is when you ball them up and they ball up real smooth. If they ball up real like jaggedy and crunchy looking, because we did all kinds of tests with solders, and like literally what I found is I could correlate it directly with how they look when you ball them up. If they look smooth and nice when you ball them up, they're gonna flow smooth and nice. Just so you know.
Makes sense.
Okay, paste flux, paste flux. I'm gonna dry it a little bit. Stick that baby in there. Also, by the way, like if you look at the color of this 18 karat yellow, that's a really good color match.
Because usually they turn black.
The original that we had was much paler. You know what I mean? The color match wasn't nearly as good. Just one of the many OCD things that we pay attention to. And dry it off a little bit. Make sure I got a little flux there. Yeah, especially for an 18, I think the color of this is amazing. There we go. Look at it from the side. It looks completely filled in now. I'll let Alexis do a little side view. But basically, if it weren't to be filled, I would just stick another piece in there. You know what I mean? You just kind of like put some in. I think it's filled in. Of course, it could just be flux and whatever, but so we'll pickle it to be 1000% sure. But it looked to me like it filled in. I'm going to leave that other piece there. If it isn't, we'll just put that one in there. But yeah, this 18, cuckoo bananas for it. So just to show you a little close-up, there it is, the solder all filled in and gorgeous. And everything we want out of life. Yay!